Welcome and thanks for tuning in for this updated weather briefing on the potential impacts of this weekend's significant rainfall event across the San Francisco and Monterey Bay area. I'm meteorologist Roger Goss from your local National Weather Service office here in Monterey, California. A deep plume of moisture or atmospheric river remains on track to impact the California coast this weekend. The source of this rich moisture stretches well into the Central Pacific Ocean near the state of Hawaii. Events such as this are often referred to as the Pineapple Express. As moisture continues to spread into the region, rainfall will spread across the San Francisco Bay Area and then the Central Coast late tonight. Light to occasionally moderate rain has already been reported this afternoon, causing delays at the San Francisco International Airport. This image depicts rainfall amounts currently forecast through Monday afternoon across most of the region. Rainfall amounts of 2 to 4 inches can be expected across the North Bay, with up to 8 inches possible in the western-facing slopes of the coastal mountains. Around the San Francisco Bay, 1 to 3 inches can be expected, even in the urban areas. Further south toward San Jose, residents can expect to receive upwards of 1.5 inches of rainfall. Another heavily hit area this weekend is expected to be across the Santa Cruz Mountains, with 3 to 5 inches currently forecast. However, isolated amounts upwards of 6 inches cannot be ruled out. Rainfall totals will vary greatly across the Monterey area, with up to 1.5 inches expected for Monterey to Salinas, yet much lesser values of 1/4 to 1/2 inch expected down the southern Salinas Valley. The Santa Lucia Mountains may receive upwards as 3 inches of rainfall throughout this weekend. While the region remains in a long-term drought, rainfall amounts of this magnitude will likely cause hazardous conditions through the weekend. Street and urban flooding will take place on Saturday and Sunday, including the major metro areas. Look for sharp rises and minor flooding in small creeks and streams, with the greatest threat being in the North Bay. There will even be the potential for localized flash flooding, especially along the coastal mountains. At this time, this event is not expected to cause major flooding of large rivers, although rises will be expected. If you have not done so already, please clear your storm drains now to help reduce the threat, and be sure to monitor NOAA Weather Radio, your favorite local media outlet, and the National Weather Service here in Monterey for further updates. Moderate to heavy rainfall will also produce hazardous driving conditions throughout the weekend. Visibilities will be reduced and roads will become slick and occasionally flooded in spots. Slow down, keep your headlights on during the rainfall, and allow for extra time to reach your destinations throughout the weekend. Even with rain earlier this week, some localized rockfalls and mudslides were observed. This will continue to be a potential hazard throughout the weekend. Use caution if you are traveling in favored areas for rockfalls and mudslides, which are typically prone in the rugged mountainous terrain. Also, be alert for sudden changes in roadway conditions. Thank you for tuning in to this weather briefing. Please share your rainfall reports and look for updated information on our website at www.weather.gov/San Francisco. You can also follow us on Twitter at NWS Bay Area, where we will be using hashtag Bay Area Rain for this event. You can also find us on Facebook by searching U.S. National Weather Service San Francisco.